आदरणीय ज्ञानचंद गुप्ता जी, डॉक्टर सुमिता मिश्रा, Mr. V.K. Kapoor, galaxy of luminaries, literati, dignitaries, officers, guests, ladies and gentlemen, family. हिंदी में बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा था, वहाँ से यहाँ आने तक सोचा, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत कोशिश करूँगा. But it's an English book, Romancing Life. And no one exemplifies the romance with life more than Mr. V.K. Kapoor, whom I call uncle because of the fact that he is my father's colleague. And before I speak for 5 minutes about his book, I'd just like to add that his son's name is Vivek. And when my father visited him in Sirsa, when probably Vivek was born in Sirsa, yeah. So SSP Sirsa, I think, was Mr. V.K. Kapoor, and my father was visiting. So he says, "What is the name of the newborn?" He said, "Vivek." He said, "Mere paas bhi ek Vivek hai." So here I am today, not so much a friend as Punita ji mentioned, but more a follower and a mentee of Mr. V.K. Kapoor, who's a mentor, who's an inspiration, and Gopi mentioned it so well. He's probably the best of everything that he does, takes everything very seriously. And slightly irreverently, I must mention that for my own book launch, held at the CII recently, I did not pay a recce visit to the CII, because I have a couple of people who were so good at organizing things and they were so perfect, I didn't have to go before the actual event. But for this book launch of Mr. V.K. Kapoor's, I paid one, and we had one more meeting, and we had two more meetings, because he is so perfect to the T about everything that he does. Each of you must have received at least one reminder, if not two, before arriving here. He makes sure of things. He's punctual. He's there before time. Always there before I arrive, and I feel very embarrassed about it, but that's habit. Now, Romancing Life is a culmination of a series of discussions which he, I, his well-wishers had. किताब छापनी है सर आपने? He said, नहीं यार, हो जाएगा विवेक, कोई नहीं. I said, सर छाप दीजिए. He said, नहीं बाद में कर लेंगे. नहीं सर करनी है. So this kind of discussion took place. He is probably crossed a triple century in terms of being published in the papers. More than 300 perhaps, more than 500, I don't know. He's got hundreds of articles published over the years, middles, serious stuff. I mean, middles are, if we call them non-serious stuff, they're not non-serious, but they're humorous. Lots of articles on governance and policy and leadership over the years. And a man of many parts. He often also lets out certain secrets from the past in his book, but in a very subtle way, not to offend anyone. However, if you really listen to him speak about the past or even the present, you'll be entertained for hours. And some of us know some of his stories by heart. We've heard them a dozen times or more. But I've requested him to come out with one or two original ones today which no one knows about. Hopefully he will. And having been in the IB, the Intelligence Bureau, there is so much to tell which you cannot tell. But the Official Secrets Act is what, 20 years? Valid for about 20 years. The lawyer bhi hai, so Mr. Deswal is there. So maybe 20, 25, 30 साल पुरानी बातें तो बताई जा सकती हैं सर आज. So I hope he will speak long about these. He said, नहीं यार मैं 5 मिनट बोलूँगा, but let's hope he speaks for more. And it is a tribute to his energy and enthusiasm and verve and the joie de vivre which he possesses, the pizzazz, the kind of personality he has, which in the police or in the IAS, if I may be allowed to say so, very few rare personas possess. And he's been compared with Hollywood stars. Man must have had a tough time of keeping him, if I can say so, in check. But he's so disciplined himself. So 2 anecdotes I'll share before I sign off. One is that he has in his house a picture of the time when Bill Clinton came and he was in Delhi in the PM security, etc. in IB. And he was there when Margaret Thatcher came, when Mikhail Gorbachev came. And the picture with Margaret Thatcher is particularly attractive. So we said, sir, kamal hai aapki photo Thatcher ke saath. So there is a senior IAS officer who, I won't name him, but I'm sure he wouldn't have minded it either. He says, Vivek, ये बात नहीं है कि Thatcher की फोटो यहाँ लगी हुई है. He says, Thatcher के बेडरूम में भी यही फोटो लगी हुई थी. असली बात ये है. और जैसे कपूर साहब कई बार कहते हैं कि यार विवेक हमारे तो मासूम से शौक है ना, कॉफी, किताबें, अखबार में कुछ आ गया, in his inimitable style, he won't even say मासूम, he say यार मासूम से शौक है, और है मासूम से ही. तो इनके शौक बड़े मासूम हैं, ये खुद भी मासूम है, और देखा जाए तो ये ऑडियंस भी बड़ी मासूम है, क्योंकि जो बुक लॉन्चेस में आते हैं मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ वो मासूम से ही लोग होते हैं, और जगह भी बहुत है जाने को इस दुनिया में, इस प्लेनेट में, इस सोसाइटी में. The last anecdote which I will share with you is that there are many, but one which I'll share so he won't have to tell you about it, is that he went to Pakistan and there was somebody who kept peering at him, glaring at him or eyeing him. And he said, "Ki dekhna hai tu?" He says, "Sir, तुसी लगते हो जिद्दां वो मेरे एक अफसर सीगे, बिल्कुल तुसी इक्को मां दे जाए लगते हो." I don't know how my Punjabi is, but that's what he says. And I've heard this so many times, I'm quite sure that he was true. And one more anecdote, if ma'am permits, lastly. He says, and this is probably a secret for many of you, the secret services, they also keep surveillance on their own people. So he says, one plainclothes fellow comes to me one day, he says, "Janab, verification ho gayi si, Janab te theek hai sir, te bibi bhi theek hai sir." Which means everybody is above board in the whole family. That's how the IB works, that's how the intelligence network works. So beware, everybody is being watched. But in this case, we are here for a very happy occasion, and my hearty, warm congratulations to you, sir, on this. Thank you.